What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So how to fill up on E30. I've had a lot of questions about how to fill up on E30, and it's not that hard. It seems kind of complicated, but it's not. So change your parameter to fuel level input. It'll show you the percentage of gas that you have in your car. We have 15.5 gallons. That's the tank size. So all you got to do is put that into a calculator and put that you have 14% fuel. And right now I'm running E30, so on your calculator you'll put I have 14% of E30 in my car, and you're gonna want to test your fuel. You use E85 test tube. Use any of them from eBay, Amazon, any site, bro. They're all the same. So you're gonna put a little bit of water inside and fill the rest up with E85. Shake, and the line will settle, and it'll show you how much E85 you have. It'll have instructions, and it's pretty straightforward. So that's what you want to do on your first time, to check the ethanol content of your E85 at your station. And if you have a solid provider, then you should be good, bro. I use Pearson fuels, and they're pretty solid E85 all the time. So all right, fuel level input 14, bro.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
VQs sound nice, but they're kind of slow, bro.
Run to the money, front door. Theo pops for $100. Penthouse elevator front door. Let my kids keep flying.
So yeah, bro, I think BQs sound really dope. Most of the time they're pretty slow, but those weren't even runs. That was just Mexico pulls, you know. And all you gotta do, guys, is add E85 and add 91. No mixing at all, bro. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Every day I wake up, smoke another gram. Hey, I don't give a fuck, no, another damn. Hey, I'm smoking the kush from the Hoover down. Hey, I'ma let these bitches know who I am.